This is our story of Jack be nimble. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jumped over the candlestick. Have you ever tried jumping over something? Have you ever tried jumping really high? Here's another J for Jack. So here is a Jack and a candlestick, and this is something fun you can try. Cut these out, or have an adult help you cut them out, and then bend them back. So you'll have a standing candlestick and a standing Jack, and you can jump over or have somebody jump over for it and have somebody else try jumping over, or can you jump over the candlestick? Be safe how you do this though. Then here's our writing activity where you can write your name. So we'll say your name, be nimble, and down here will be your name, be nimble, your name, be quick, your name, jump over the candlestick. And here's our story. Write your name, because the best way to learn your name is to practice. So it says, Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the red candlestick. And then you're going to color the candlestick red. And here's one for yellow and orange and black and a blue candlestick and a purple candlestick. I wonder if Jack's getting tired from all this jumping. Do you get tired from jumping a lot? A brown candlestick, a white candlestick. And the last one is Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the green candlestick. Have lots of fun with this book and you can read it over and over. Bye, friends.